Top 5 credit cards for cashback in 2023. How awesome would it be if you earned some money while you shopped? Let's say you spend $50 at the grocery store. You swipe your credit card. And bam, you get a message on your phone that says, you've earned a cashback of $5. Crazy, right? This is exactly what cashback credit cards can do for you. A cashback credit card is a great financial tool to save money while you spend. All you need to do is just swipe your card when you dine out, fill gas, or buy groceries, and you can earn a percentage of your money spent. If saving money is your ultimate goal, we're here to help you achieve that with our list of the top 5 cashback credit cards of 2023. Let's get started. Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card steals the first place on our list for its lucrative reward rates. You can score up to 1.5% cashback on every single purchase that you make and an extra 6.5% when you spend at restaurants and pharmacies. And if you've been holding on to your dream vacation for a long time, now's your chance to start planning. With the same card, you can get 6.5% cash back if you book through the Chase portal. And you get all of these perks without paying a dime as annual fees. Hold on, there's more. On spending $2,000 in the first year of using this card, you can get an introductory bonus of $300 as a first-time Chase card holder. That's seriously a lot of savings on just a single card. Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. Landing second on our list is the Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card for its amazing rewards on dining and food. Let's say it's the weekend. You feel like ordering a dessert for dinner or hitting a grocery store to whip up a delish brunch for your friends, or simply catching up on the latest movie at the nearest theater. But all you're thinking about is the extra dollars you've spent over the week. Well, stress no more. We've got a solution for you. The Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card can get you cashback options on dining, groceries, and movies. You earn cashback starting from 3% to as high as 10%. Unbelievable, right? Plus, you get 1% on all other purchases. And yet again, you can enjoy these benefits without paying any annual fee. If that's not enough, this card let you earn on a one-time cash bonus of $200. Yes, you heard that right. You get a bonus of $200 once you've made purchases worth $500 in the first 3 months of account opening. Dining and grocery shopping has never been this exciting. Discover It Cashback Credit Card. Our list wouldn't be complete without the mention of the Discover It Cashback Credit Card. What makes this card really popular are its two special features. The primary feature is the introductory program called the Cashback Match. You get an unlimited dollar-for-dollar match for every cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, you earn $200 cashback on your spendings in the first year. With the Cashback Match feature, you'll actually end up with a total cashback worth $400. The second feature is the quarterly 5% cashback on selective categories. Let's understand how it works with an example. Suppose you've spent $1,500 on categories like groceries and gas from January to March. Then you spend an additional $1,500 between April and June on other categories like travel and restaurants. This way you would end up saving with a cashback of 5% every quarter. But to enjoy these perks, you will have to opt in or activate this feature online. And with practically no annual fees, this card will definitely bump up your savings. US Bank Cash Plus Registered Visa Signature Card. Next on the list is the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. This card offers you customizable rewards for the categories you select. This means you get to control your cashback. Let me explain how. To begin with, pick 2 bonus categories of your choice, like home utilities and movie theaters. So, whenever you swipe your credit card to pay the bills on these 2 categories, you can earn 5% cashback. All you've got to do is make purchases worth $2,000 on the categories you've picked every quarter. Easy peasy, isn't it? Apart from this, you also get to pick one everyday category. This category is one where you make frequent purchases, like grocery stores or gas stations. Whenever you spend on your everyday category, you can score up to 2% cashback. And again, this credit card does not have an annual fee. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. Let's get to the final card on the list, the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. The $95 annual fee on this card after the introductory year usually scares most people to even give this card a chance. But the rewards offered are definitely worth it, especially if you're a household of more than 4. For example, say a chunk of your money is spent on groceries, gas, transit, and streaming. Even if you end up spending about $31 per week on groceries, the cashback you earn is amazing. This card gives you 6% cash back when you buy stuff worth $6,000 in a year at the supermarket. Plus, you get 6% on select streaming subscriptions. And how can we forget the 3% cash back on transit expenses, including gas, taxi rides, rideshares, parking, buses, and toll? Wait, hang on, I'm not done yet. Now that you have a clear understanding of the 5 cashback credit cards, their benefits, and offerings, it's time to learn how to maximize your rewards and utilize the cards to save more. Let's get to the 2 bonus points that we mentioned at the start of the video. Align the reward structure with your spending habit. Have you ended up with too many credit cards just for the promotional offers marketed by the banks? After using them for a while, you learn that the cards hardly meet your requirements. Well, many people have fallen into this trap. Therefore, always choose a credit card with a reward structure that matches how you spend your money. Here's how you can do it. Before you apply for a credit card, note down your expenses. Make a list of the categories where most of your money is spent every month. Groceries, put it on the list. Gas, goes on the list. Dining out, add it to the list too. Once you figure out your expenses, pick a credit card that offers bonuses, rewards, and cashback on these specific categories. This way, you won't have to stress over spending at a wholesale club when you actually need reward points for streaming services. Always keep credit balance low. Bonus tip number 2: always keep your credit balance at a minimum. Here's a simple hack to keep your credit card balance low. Never ever charge more than 30% of your credit limit on your card on a single purchase. 10% to 30% is a safe range. This will save you from maxing out on your credit card and help you maintain a healthy credit score. And with this, we have come to the end of the video. We hope this video gave you a fair idea about some of the best credit cards and their cashback offers. Which one of the 5 did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to stay updated on new finance